So today we'll be showing you how I created this simple appointment booking system using GoHighLevel. I will be walking you through the major parts, which is the form, pipelines, and workflows. So the forms is our lead magnet, which is usually found in websites, emails, and the goal is to get or collect as many leads as possible. While the pipeline serves as the stages, and each stage corresponds with different workflows and automations. Like, for example, for new leads, we have different sets of emails. For service book, for no shows, we need to do some follow-ups. And for service completed, of course, we want to ask for testimonials and probably offer another service, paid service. While for the workflow list, this contains all of the automations that we have created to make sure that the tags are updated, the correct follow-ups are made if they missed a scheduled service, they need to reschedule, or they are a new lead. We need to set the correct sequences for those kinds of stages. So let me walk you through, or let's try out the form. Let's use a valid email and then a dummy phone number. Let's click submit. And what should happen here after clicking submit is that the contact should go under new leads, which is this one. We have also automatically updated the tags, the opportunity source, and the followers. Let's also check. We have also set an automation where we will inform the client or the assigned user that there's a new lead. So here it is. So you can use email, you can use Slack, you can use SMS for these kinds of internal notifications. And then we have also set an email um, to thank the customer that they have signed up with us and inviting us or inviting them to book a free service within our company. So let's check the workflow on how it actually works. Let's just do another reload. Okay. So there you go. So this is our workflow for our new leads. So the trigger for this automation is that a customer or a lead submitted to one of our forms. And then once they are or once they have submitted, we will automatically create an opportunity or contact inside our GoHighLevel admin account. And then we will send an internal notification via email to the assigned user that we have a new customer, just to make sure that an employee or your assistant is informed that we have a new lead. And then we have several emails here that is encouraging the customer or the lead to book a free service with us. So there's an email sequence that spans within days. This is second email, and then the third email. And once they have booked, like for example, let's try to book using the calendar provided. And once the lead has booked a free service, what should happen inside our GoHighLevel admin account on their pipelines is that Jet Mercado should be automatically transferred under service book. And based on our workflow, we should also add a tag, which is here. And there's an internal notification that someone uh, booked a service with us. So let's check again. Someone booked. There you go. This is an internal notification. This is a reminder since we have also set um, reminder emails for the lead to make sure that he or she is informed about the upcoming service. And then what if the customer rescheduled or canceled the scheduled service? So we also have a setup workflow for that to make sure that we will follow up with the customer and encourage them to book another um, schedule with us. So, so as you can see here, once we uh, move this opportunity to no-show or reschedule, this workflow will be triggered. And what will happen in this workflow or in this automation is after one day of canceling the or rescheduling the service, we will send an email encouraging the customer to rebook within our calendar. And then we have an email sequence to make sure that we are following up with the customer or the lead. And there's another use case Like for example, what if the customer replied with one of the emails that we have sent during uh, during the follow-up emails, the reschedules. We need to make sure that the lead is removed from the workflow to make sure that the customer will not receive any other follow-up emails. And this is an option that we can inform the internal team that someone has an inquiry that we need to reach out. And then we have another workflow here that in case the customer book again and the service was completed, we have another pipeline stage where we tag the customer as inspection complete. We will send another email asking for testimonials, and then we can transfer them to another workflow or to another pipeline where we can offer another set of services or paid service. So I think that's it. This is how the appointment booking system works for a simple cleaning service. Thank you.